A tornado is a violently rotating funnel of air traveling from a thunderstorm to Earth's surface. It all starts when two different air pressures combine. The lower one contains warm, humid air, and the higher one contains cool, dry air. High winds determine if a tornado occurs or not. They have the power to control the rotation of wind and the upward airflow.
The dark is too hard to be.
I'm Bertha Smithers. And I'm Hope Poe. And we're the Storm Chasers. Now we're off to see the tornado. Okay. They mostly occur in the Midwest. This includes Kansas, Colorado, Minnesota, Texas, Oklahoma, and South Dakota. And right now we're heading to Kansas. The weather conditions that create tornadoes are the humid and hot air from Mexico, which collides with cool air from California and Canada. We knew that there was going to be a huge tornado in Kansas because we saw large hail and we also saw a greenish sky. Other signs could be wall clouds and loud roars. Whoa, look at that tornado! That's a big one! Hi, I'm Dr. Phil, and today we have Bertha Smithers and Helga Poe. So how was your guys' encounter with the tornado? So the one that we just had outside was an F5, and I've never seen one before, so it was really dangerous. So we had to come back inside and shut the camera down. What was the damage that was brought by the tornado? So an F5 is about 261 to 318 miles per hour, and it's very unlikely to happen. So if it happens, a house can be thrown a far distance. Can you give us some examples of some tornadoes like that? So the oldest one is 1999, called Mulhall tornado, which had a wind field of nearly 4 miles. And then the largest tornado recorded was in Halem, Nebraska on May 22nd, 2004. And it almost wiped the town of Halem off the map. Helga, you're on. How do you prepare for a tornado? You can develop a plan for the family and have frequent drills. Also, you can have a highway map inside your car just in case. Well, that's a great idea. I also heard there's a radio station named NOAA Weather Radio with a warning alarms too, and battery backup to receive warnings. Yep. That's the show. Parents, if your kids are having questions for you about,
go grab some lunch and eat some cucumbers.
Stay safe in a tornado. It is very important. You need to move to a pre-designated shelter, such as a basement or any other underground shelter. Move to an interior room or hallway on the lowest floor of the building, or get under a piece of furniture for your safety. Stay away from your windows, get out of automobiles, and do not try to outrun the tornado in your car. That's just a no-no, Leave it immediately. That's not safe. And mobile homes, even if it's tied down, Just gotta leave it there. You gotta run. You gotta leave it. You gotta leave. For safety. From the heart.
69% of weak tornadoes kill less than 5%. 29% of strong tornadoes kill about 30%. 2% of severe tornadoes cause 70% of all tornado deaths.
It's been a while.
Carry on, ladies.
Thousands and thousands of miles. Sorry, I know.
We found out where the tornado's gonna occur because it's 5:15. Hi, I'm Dr. Phil. Today we have birthday snippets.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not kidding.
No.
Oh.
Really?
That was very small.
Ready? Set. Oh, I'm already going?